Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. All right, Amazon find for today are the Dr. Brown's Natural Flow Anti-Colic Options Special Edition Blue Baby Bottle Gift Set. It comes with the soft sippy spout transition cup and a teether. It's received 4.8 out of 5 stars. It's an Amazon choice item, and over 400 have been purchased in the past month alone on Amazon. If you're looking for a bottle that truly makes a difference in your baby feeding experience, Dr. Brown's Natural Flow Anti-Colic Bottles are the perfect choice. Designed with an innovative internal vent system, these bottles reduce colic, spit up, gas, and burping, helping your little one feel more comfortable and content after every feed. Not only do they preserve essential nutrients in breast milk and formula by minimizing air bubbles, but they also promote a consistent natural flow just like breastfeeding. Plus, their BPA-free, high-quality construction ensures safety and durability. Trusted by pediatricians and loved by parents worldwide, Dr. Brown's Anti-Colic Bottles are more than just bottles. They're a solution for happier feedings and happier babies. Try them and see the difference for yourself. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.